How to grow herbs during monsoon. Growing herbs during the monsoon season can be highly rewarding, thanks to the ample moisture and optimal temperatures. Follow these tips to ensure a successful herb garden. 1. Choose the right herbs. Select herbs that thrive in high humidity and can handle the abundant rainfall. Ideal choices include basil, mint, coriander, parsley, and thyme. Some herbs like rosemary and sage might struggle with excessive moisture, so they may be better suited to pots that can be moved under cover if needed. 2. Prepare the soil. Ensure the soil is well draining to prevent waterlogging. Mix in organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure and drainage. Raised beds or containers with drainage holes work well. 3. Planting. Sow seeds or transplant seedlings in well-drained containers or raised beds. Space the plants adequately to ensure good air circulation, which helps reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Consider using mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. 4. Care and maintenance. Regularly inspect your herbs for pests like aphids and spider mites, which can thrive in humid conditions. Watch for fungal issues like powdery mildew and treat with appropriate organic fungicides if needed. Pruning herbs can also help improve airflow and encourage bushier growth. 5. Watering. While monsoon rains provide plenty of moisture, monitor the soil to avoid overwatering. Water only if the topsoil feels dry. Be cautious with watering in containers. Ensure they have proper drainage and avoid letting them sit in excess water. 6. Harvesting. Regular harvesting promotes healthy growth and prevents plants from becoming too leggy. Use clean, sharp scissors or shears to cut herbs, and always remove any dead or yellowing leaves. 7. Extra tips. Pest control. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to help control aphid populations naturally. Support structures. If growing tall herbs like cilantro, use stakes or cages to support them and prevent breakage from heavy rains. Indoor options. For particularly rainy periods, consider growing herbs indoors under grow lights if outdoor conditions become too extreme. By following these guidelines, you can take advantage of the monsoon season's natural benefits to cultivate a vibrant and productive herb garden.